We have to pray for a musician. I saw him inside the car, and I saw blood inside the car. I'm not the one that killed. His name is Big Zulu. I've been praying for him for extension, because this thing is supposed to happen March next month, March, April. I'm still praying. I'm the one praying for Sumizi now. Well, now this other man who is very soon, his name is Big Zulu.
eyenzakalayo njengoba ngumuntu othwele kunendlu lapha ekameleni, nekamela nje lingavula umuntu. Leli kamela njalo ekuseni ngithola imali engango-150k. Le mali mangiyithola kufanele angiyibabazi le mali. Angiyibabazi, kufuneka ngiyithathe ngiyishiftele ngiyifake kulamabhakede enginokuyifaka kuwona everyday. Umnumzane lo inyoka yami mangiyiphakela, ngiphakela iy'nkukhu, bedle iy'nkukhu, eziwu-3 ngosuku. Usuku nje kufuneka ngiyinikeze iy'nkukhu eziwu-3, ngiyiphakele inkukhu ekuseni ngaboma-9, ngizoyinikeza inkukhu ngabo-2, bese nginikeza inkukhu before ngilale ngabo-10. Isikhathi esiningi-ke ijwayele ukuthi inkukhu uma ngiyinikeza yona iyidle same time. Yona ayinabo ubungozi obukhulu lapha kumina. Inkinga nje mase kulalo ngivele ngithi ngilele ngizwe ngayo isinguqile lapha, iyangikhotha, yenza lento yayo-ke i-sex. Yazi madoda, hayi ngisenkingeni bafethu, ngisenkingeni impilo engayikhethela yona. Angifisi nangalilodwa ilanga kube khona umuntu okhetha le mpilo efana nalena. Hayi, le mpilo iyakhathaza le mpilo. Kahle kahle ubudoda bami nje ukuthi ngiyindoda, hayi angisayithembi lokhu kwangempela. But-ke abantwana nginabo abantwana, ngoba konke lokhu ngikwenze because bona abantwana, ngoba bengibona ukuthi ngiyasafara, ngiyasala ey'ntweni ey'ningi. Nabo abantwana elasibhuni yami neminyaka o-15, na-15 years lasibhuni yami bawu-3. Manje ngichaza ukuthi-ke ezinye zezinto ungazenza nje isikhashanyana wena, zik-affect impilo yakho yonke. Ngikhuluma lezi iy'toli ey'kanjena because angazi ukuthi ngiyofanini. Ngenzela ukuthi kodwa iqinise ebantwini abangilandelayo, nabantu abanami bazi ukuthi iqiniso lithini mayelana nokuthwala. Ukuthwala kulungile, akulungile ukuthwala. Uthwala ngani nangani kuyefana. Ukuthwala nje kudoti, kuyisiqalekiso. If kulungile ukuthwala, why bona bengathwali le kuma.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So after a leaked audio of a Zulu man talking about having to ukutwala and having love with a snake in order to enrich himself and also for fame, you guys, now people have been speculating, and they have speculated that the man in that confession audio was definitely artist Big Zulu, you guys. And the man in that audio details how he was now tired of living a life of sacrifices and ukutwala with a snake, you guys. Now he says that life was no longer, or is not longer the same, you guys, and him sacrificing was very risky and useless and a very dangerous thing which he got himself unwillingly, you guys. Now, though he spoke out, Big Zulu, last week, detailing that he had worked very hard to maintain or to build up his success and fame, you guys, and that he had not performed any kind of sorts of evil ritual for enrichment. He has worked very hard. He expressed that he was very disappointed that people would try to tarnish his brand, saying that he got into something so evil and deadly, you guys. And he says that even though people knew and could listen, that could really see that it wasn't him. They insisted that it was him for social media clout and whatever, you guys. And people were still adamant that it is him in that audio, you guys. Now, days later, a video of a Nigerian prophet, Prophet David Uche, prophesying an accident about Big Zulu was shared on social media, where he is heard pleading with people in his church to pray for Big Zulu, as he says that he sees an accident on its way to reach out to Big Zulu and Usomisi Mhlongo. You guys, now Prophet Uche says to people should pray for Big Zulu as he sees something coming his way, an accident, he said, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and also make sure that you do share this video, of course, so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this video. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video, and may God just continue blessing you all. Bye.